Hi guys, thank you so much for joining my YouTube video. It's a very raw video, but I'm just going to make it. I'm in a new site and I'm trying to start the site, but this land was bought with a lot of heavy hardcore going on here, but we're going to still work on it just like that. So I want to carry you along, okay, this journey, and for you to learn one or two things from this journey. So the site, since I can't turn the back of my camera since I'm already recording, this site has a lot of hardcore. Okay, you can see it from that area. It has site clearance, so definitely we are going to clear this site, and we are going to also work on that hardcore that we have there, right? So right now some of the hardcores were broken down. Okay, there are steps to being for hardcores to be able to be broken into pieces. Okay, so some of this hardcore has been broken down and it has been brought to this area. Okay, and what we are doing right now is more of to evacuate the hardcore so that we can have a plain land to work with. Okay, this alone has been able to give my company boss a lot of money. Okay, I know that he bought it and it must have cost a lot for him to buy this, but this has given him a lot of money. This has reserved us from being able to buy hardcore. Okay, for other of our sites that would have needed hardcore, this has already helped us to manage that, so it has got a lot of savings for us. You can see how the site is. Okay, so this is what we want to work on first. This is what we want to work on first to be able to evacuate this. Okay, so when this is already evacuated, then the space can be worked on. Like I said, I didn't want to show myself. I don't know whether you're seeing me. So I have a lot going on here. So also right now there's somebody packing pieces of the hardcore that was already broken down. Pieces like this type of piece. This type of pieces that we are already broken down. So we are trying to sort it. We are trying to sort it out. Okay, so others like that place. So what they normally do is that they'll burn it, something like that, and then it will now come out properly. So right now they are burnt this particular one, so that will help them to be able to break it off. Okay, to help them to be able to break it off. So when it's being broken off, you can now use it in a nice way. You can use it. Okay, then we'll be left with things like this. A natural ground that is kind of hilly. Okay, so we'll be left with things like this. Okay, so when we are left with things like that, we'll not be able to know how to level the ground. So there's a lot of work that will go in this particular site. Like I said, it's a site with a lot of natural resources, and this alone has helped to cut down costs for other of our sites that are more of a very plain ground. So it's a very beautiful site, and this is my first time going to really walk on this type of site and just see how we are going to fully walk here and make this place a building for somebody to live in. Now look at this blessing from God. Look at that. This has is amazing. This will be excavated out. Okay, so I'm going to carry you guys along the journey of all this being excavated out. Okay, when it's going to be excavated out and how they are going to be packing them. There's a lot of sun here. How they are going to be excavated out, packed, and reuse, sent to some of our other sites, and then reused. Okay, so please stick with me in this journey. Do well to share, like, comment, and subscribe. Please guys, subscribe. I beg. Thank you so much. Have a beautiful day ahead. Bye.